A rally at City Hall to demand more help for migrants who are being bused here by the governor of Texas to New York City. More than 10,000 have already arrived, Texas promising to send a lot more. While Mayor Adams has welcomed the migrants and is providing city services, he's also asking the federal government to help pay for their care. Eyewitness News reporter Burkett with the latest.
The buses arrive here every week. Waves of immigrants from the southern border seeking asylum here in the United States.
For weeks now, our city has struggled to cope. Asylum seekers have slept on the floor of intake rooms and the streets of our city when there was nowhere else to go.
On the steps of City Hall, a demand for compassion. Activists and outreach workers insisting tonight that New York City needs to do more.
We need $10 million from the city and $10 million from the state simply to make sure that these individuals do not get lost in the system.
More than 10,000 migrants have arrived in the city so far this summer, many of them on board buses sent from Texas. So far, the city has pledged to provide nearly $7 million to outreach organizations, but federal assistance has failed to materialize despite repeated requests by Mayor Adams. Dr. Jomaris Pena works with the migrants who are routinely bused north without any medical attention.
We need to address the issue that they are going weeks and weeks walking, getting dehydrated, exhausted, and they need to be engaged the proper way into health care.
Migrants seeking asylum are allowed to remain here for 60 days or until their cases are decided. But there are backlogs, and the city will need more than a short-term fix.